All right, welcome to Coach Taylor's class videos, and today we're going to talk about horizontal and vertical lines. So we're going to do a real quick review of slope. Uphill means it's positive. Downhill means it's negative. And we're going to spend the rest of today's notes focusing on these two types of lines. So we have our flat line. We said our flat line means that there are no heartbeats, so our slope is 0. When our slope is 0, all of our lines are going to be y equals a number because 0 times x makes 0 and our x goes away. Another way to think about this is hoy. This is a hoy line. It is horizontal. The slope is 0, and it is y equals. So our other type of line is our undefined slope. It is going to be x equals a number, and it's going to be a vux, which is vertical, undefined, and x equals. And so these are two little verbal reminders just kind of help you out that they're anagrams too and have that good information. So again, horizontal lines are flat lines. They are y equals, they have 0 slope, and we can call them hoy. So horizontal, 0 slope, y equals. So if it's y equals and there is only a number, we have a b, which is 3, and we have a slope, which is 0. Because again, hoy means our slope is 0 and it's y equals. So what that means is we're going to graph where our y-intercept is 3, and then we're going to draw a straight horizontal line. Because anytime it's a hoy, it's a flat line. Horizontal or flat line. So same thing goes here. Our b equals 1. Because it's a hoy, our slope is 0, which makes it a flat line. And so y equals 1, so we're going to graph that y-intercept, and it goes all the way across. All right, so our vertical lines are our undefined. They are our x equals, and they are our vux. Vertical, undefined, x equals. So if they're vux lines, their slope is undefined, and there is no y-intercept, and it's going to be vertical. So we want to find where our x value is, which is -4, and it becomes a vertical straight up and down line. So again, x equals 2. That immediately tells me that it's a vux line because it's going to be vertical. Our slope is undefined. And again, it's x equals. So we're going to find where x equals 2. Put that point there, and it's going to be a straight up and down vertical line. So now we're going to do the opposite. So now we're going to have to look at a graph and figure out, is it a hoy, is it a vux, is it 0, is it undefined? So the easy way for me to remember this is if it's a y-intercept, it's y equals. If it's an x-intercept, that's an x equals. And so that y-intercept tells us that it's a hoy. That x-intercept tells us it's a vux. And wherever that intercept is, that is going to be the number. So that y-intercept, that will be the number. That x-intercept, that will be the number in our equation. So vertical is vux, horizontal or flat line is hoy. So We have a vertical line right here. It's going up and down, so that tells me it's going to be a vux, which means it's going to be x equals, and it equals x at 4. So this is a flat line, or this is a hoi, flat line or horizontal, which tells me that it's going to be y equals, and it's y equals -1. Here we have a flat line. That flat line tells me that it's a hoi because it's horizontal and it's touching the y-axis. So its y equals is going to be where it touches the y-axis, and so y equals 2 is our equation of this line. So this one, we've got a vertical line or a vux, which means it's going to be x equals, and x equals -2. And there's not a lot to this, you just have to know the trick. Horizontal flat lines are y equals, they have a y-intercept. Vertical lines are undefined and they have an x-intercept. And that's about all I have to really help us out with this.